everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I have a small haul for you, a couple of new things that I was excited to find, and not a whole lot because I'm telling you, we just haven't been getting a whole lot of new stuff lately, and so hopefully that's going to change soon. But anyway, so let me just start with what I found. Now, a lot of things I found was in other areas of the store other than the craft areas. But they're going to be used for crafting. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first thing I found was in the beauty aisle and stuff, and this is really, really cute. And so I found this by Scunci, and it's these cute little head wraps, and this has little flowers with little blingy on them. So this is probably not going to be used as a head wrap. This is probably going to be used as something else. I just thought it was really cute, and it's called a Hollywood Roll one-piece hairband for kids, and so I think it's too big for my granddaughters, but I thought they were really cute, so I picked that up. And then I picked up some head wraps. Now, usually they've only had like the 6 or the 8 kind or whatever, but these have 12 headbands, and I don't particularly use these for my hair. I use these for like closures and books and stuff, and so that's what I got these for. And they came in some really pretty colors: the purple, teal, royal blue, pink, kind of a champagne pinky color, but they're very pretty anyway and satiny, so I picked those up. And then I picked up this head wrap here, and very pretty, very soft floral. It's like chiffon almost, and so it says head wrap, but I picked that up. I thought that'd be pretty on a project somewhere. And then I went through the book aisle. Okay, don't laugh, but I like altering big pieces of puzzles sometimes. And I have a whole bag of puzzle pieces that I was probably going to de-stash. But for some reason, this caught my eye. It's a little book. It's a child's book. It's called Clothes or whatever. But look at these pieces. Like, look at the book. And look, they look such big pieces and stuff. So they're probably about, I don't know, from end to end, it's probably about 4 3/4 of an inch. And so that's a lot. I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 embellishments. So I did pick that up. I only got one. They had a whole bunch of them, different kinds and stuff, but I just picked up one. I wanted to see how it did, but it is pretty thick, little board. And then I picked up this little book. Not that I'm going to read it because I'm not sure that it interests me, but it's called Joe's Ghoul's Teeth. Yeah, anyway, but I like the size of the book. I'm going to be doing another prayer journal, and so I'm going to be using this little book. So then in the crafty aisle, I found these. What is this, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. It is fabric. How cool is that? It is craft. It says craft fabric, and it came in this blue check. I got 2 of those, and then this flamingo and this pink color here. Now, they did have it in bright Christmas red and some kind of green. I did not pick those up, but I had these in mind. I'm going to do a journal with these 2 colors here and with this blue here. And it says they are 20 by 21 inches. So they're pretty big. It looks a little bigger than a fat square, but we're going to open one up and see. Now, the only bad thing about it is they have this sticker on it. And you know how sticker sticks to fabric sometimes? So you need to be careful taking it off so that you don't get that little line, you know, of stickiness there. Okay, so here it is. It is unfolded. Let's see, this is folded still. Okay, so it's 21 inches long, width-wise. So it's just a square, but it's a big square. Look at that. That's a pretty big fabric. I'm thinking book covers, but it's pretty lightweight. I think these would make awesome little pillows too. So I did pick up a couple of those, but that's, like I said, these were the only really cool colors. They did have one that had, I didn't pick up the unicorn, but they did have one, I think, that had, it was black and had a unicorn on it. And of course they had the flamingos. I love the little flamingos. I think this is pretty. And then the little pink one. And I just thought these two played nice together. So I picked those up. Now the other thing they had that shocked me in here for $1 was, now you know they sell glue, the little bottles of glue. And they're, of course, $1 a bottle. But look what I got. A whole big bottle of school glue. And this is a clear. Now I got this because I wanted to do some more acrylic painting. And I'm not buying the other stuff. But this is 32.4 ounces of school glue. Pretty big bottle. For $1, y'all. What? Now, that's a good deal. They had it in the white and they had it in the clear, and I picked up the clear. I just couldn't get over that for $1. That is really cool. And so, and I love the little fabric things too. Now, I think you probably could get a fat square from Walmart, maybe about 8 cents cheaper. But I love these. They were actually cut nicely from what I can tell here. They're actually cut even. And, yep, they look very nice. So, I'm happy with them. I'm happy with the colors they have. Dollar Tree really is trying to step up their game, I think, in the craft world. And I think it's because the crafters are really starting to, you know, really promote Dollar Tree a lot. I've been a Dollar Tree customer for years, long before I started YouTube. Long before I started, you know, crafting, Dollar Tree's just been my store. But now that a lot of crafters are paying attention, I think Dollar Tree's paying attention a little bit more too, about what is on trend, about what people need, you know, and the acrylic painting thing, perfect. You know, 32 ounces of glue for $1. It might not mean a lot to you, but it does to me. And so, I think they're taking notice of how we use their products too. So, that is my little bitty haul. I told you it was small today, but I'm going to be doing a video really soon with this. I want you to see how these turn out. And, of course, I'll let you see my journal when I get it done. So, alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that if this is your first time here, you're going to hit that button over there that says subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell when it gives it a hug. And that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And so, be watching because I will be having some Dollar Tree DIYs come out really soon. I've been working hard on them, and so they'll be out soon. Alright guys, have a great day, and I will see you all later. Bye.